it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw an Among Us Halloween character. So it's the season. Let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with a curve. By the way, this is all for beginners. Anyone can do this. If you don't know how to draw, you can do this easily. Curve right here for top of the side of the pumpkin. We're going to throw another curve next to it, okay? So right here, we're going to throw another curve right here. We're going to connect these two at the top. Curve like so. And curve around the far end right there. We're drawing the pumpkin on his head. Gonna go right here, find the stem, up, out, down. Line up, line up. Upward, down. Kind of like a zigzag here. Upward, down, upward, down. Curve. So this curve is going to represent kind of the lens, right, of the crewmate, the front of his face right there. Yeah, curve right here, curve down, and line underneath. Line up over here, and curve line there, curve line there, curve line there. Angle downward, angle upward, out, up right there. Out over here, downward. Fill it out. Fill it out. There we go. So I personally, for the pumpkin on his head, I personally like having like a little bit of a triangle in the middle. Like so. I just think it looks more Halloweenish. And we're going to keep pulling down. Over here on this side, on the front here, pulling down. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Line up. In. And then curve line up over here. Now we have the feet right there, you know? So, like, honestly, we're almost done already. I want to pause really quick. So, everybody asked me this, and if you've ever really wanted to learn how to draw something cute, right? These guys kind of cute, but, like, really the proportions of cute, which is, like, a larger head, right? Smaller body. That, like, I don't know if you know this, but, like, really the cuteness in his essence is in its proportions, right? Really huge head compared to the body size, or big eyes compared to the face, or small eyes, right? When do you use that? I created a free guide that is for you. Basically, it's basically 10 pages that are in a chart format, and that basically gives you the kind of tools to draw anything cute. So if you want to draw maybe your dog cute, or you want to draw, you know, your a favorite character that you created, or anything like that, maybe a friend, you want to draw them in cute form, absolutely, that's perfect. That's what it's for. It's 10 pages. It's all pictures. It's all diagrams. Like, we go over stuff like cute versus chibi, you know, like that chibi drawing, like it's got an even smaller body, or like little nubs for hands. I give you hand choices. All of that stuff is in that guide, and you can either look at it on your phone, right? And that's the cool part about it. It's all pictures. You can look at it on your phone, or you can print it out. It's set to print. So go get that before, basically it's free now, but I'm going to start charging in a few months. So go pick that up at the first link in the description right now. You can see it below. And then, yeah, it's really good. Go pick that up when you can. I think it's the best thing I've ever done. Okay, let's go over here for the back. Line out. And we're going to continue line down the back here for the backpack. And we're going to end right here, kind of where the legs part right there. Curve underneath. Okay. Let's go over here to the window right here. Wiggle right there. Just kind of a wiggly line for kind of the reflection. Over here now, wiggly right there. Circle. Over here in this area, curve down. Over here now, curve around there. We're kind of like a thicker line. We want a thicker line on the outside of the character. And I would say the reason to do that is it just has like an attractive looking style. I'm not sure what it is and why it happens. I think because it helps you focus. And thin and the combination of thick and thinner lines really helps out, in my opinion, with just kind of that whole thing. Like it makes things look more complicated, more out there. Curve down. All right. So that's mostly it. We can add these little extra. So now we're in extra zone. So right over here, we can draw maybe a line right there up. It's these kind of like lines that kind of create dimension on drawings. It's just like literally a simple line there. And it's almost always at the bottom because there's usually sunlight coming from above, and this represents kind of like maybe a like shadow in a really odd way per se, like not in the exact way, but it's like a stylized shadow curving right here up. Same thing right here on this side up. You could even connect it there. You don't really have to. And then another thing you do is maybe again, because we're imagining the light source coming from up to down. That's almost all light sources. Maybe we can draw a little bit of a heavier line right here at the bottom. Right there. Just a while. Everything aiming downward is, stuff for you to kind of alter. Right here under the pumpkin. There we go. Line, line. Okay, there you go. I want you to share the video if you can. It helps the channel out. Or say hi to me in the comments, or say hi to me in the comments. But you're amazing. Hit that like if you can, and I will see you in the next video, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to stay here, and then we're going to move on to the next video, okay? So let's move on. Let's do another lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.